let's get started. Gonna hit it off with a little bit of yoga move, child's pose to start. So 1 minute child's pose on your knees. You can bring your knees closer in. You can go wider. I like them a little bit wider. And then from here, drop your butt down to your heels and then reach out in front of you with your arms. We're gonna hold this for 1 minute. All right, 1 minute child's pose. Now we're gonna go right into a frog position. So we can actually stay in this position here, arms out in front and then knees wide as you can, that's comfortable. Toes pointing out. And then from here, you'll just sink your hips back until you feel that stretch in the groin. For me, that's right there. From the side view, out this way. Try to keep your back pretty straight here. Don't let it hunch over and then shift back. We're gonna hold this for another minute and I'll see you guys in 1 minute. One minute frog pose. At the end of that, I started putting my forearms on the ground. I was getting a little bit looser, so wanted to make it a little bit tougher. So you can either prop yourself up onto your hands or you can come down to your forearms. If you're a little bit more on the flexible side, that is stretch number 2. We are now gonna hit the Bretzel, okay? If you have a pillow, that would be great to help support the neck. I'm just gonna use the side of this rolled up mat here. And then you'll lay on your side. You're gonna bring your top leg and that top knee about hip level here. And then you're gonna grab that knee or this leg with your top hand or this hand. And then you're gonna grab your other foot. You're gonna grab the ankle with that hand, pull back, and then from here, just let this shoulder sink down. And then in this position, you just wanna breathe, try to stretch it out. We're gonna do 1 minute, and then we're gonna switch sides and do 1 minute on that side. We just hit the Bretzel, 1 minute on each side. Now we're gonna hit a seated cat-cow. I love this one. It's so good for your spine health. Cross your legs, arms out in front. You're going to look up, chest out, open up. And then from here, you're going to round your back, tuck your chin. And then repeat. So going up and opening up the chest and then rounding the back. That's 1 rep. I want 10 reps. I'll see you guys in 10 reps. Ten reps, seated cat-cow, and like always, we're gonna hit up a stability exercise to finish up. There's actually kind of a combo move. We actually get some good hip mobility in this one too. It's gonna be the Spider-Man mountain climber. To get set up, we're gonna be in a good push-up position. When we're in this position, this is where we're gonna start getting that stability. That's where we're gonna work our stability. So we have to make sure we're in a really good push-up position, plank position. So from this position here, make sure the butt's tight, abs tight, and then we're solid in this position. Then we're gonna bring one leg out to the side. So our foot is on the outside of our hand, opening up our hip here, and then we'll switch sides. I wanna see 10 reps on each side, total of 20 reps. Really concentrate on keeping that plank position throughout the whole movement. I'll see you guys in 20 reps. So not only do we get good stability, good core, we also get really good shoulder stability because we always want to be pushing into the ground just a little bit. We work our hips and we work that hip mobility on top of it. So that is it for the weekly routine. This week, 4 stretches always finishing up with one stability exercise to make sure our mobility gains stick. I will see you guys next week.